What's up? I hope you're having a great day. Today I am bringing to you guys a new product by Frabber, or I don't even know how to pronounce it. It's actually an Italian company. They reached out to me on Instagram and sent me some products to review. There's the some of the other products. I'm probably going to do the sealant after this, but this today is the pre-wash. It's Innova SP1. It says pre-wash, made in Italy. Really nice bottle, and it also tells you right here, so it says additive with enzymes, cleaning strength, 5 stars, gives you a pH level, surface security, and coating security. So it is safe on coatings, all those things. But yeah, I was just going to test it out. It's a really cool little 100 milliliter bottle. All their packaging is by far some of the sickest packaging I've seen. Really forensic or fluorescent colors. Here's the sealant. Let me open this up. It's like super cool. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I did a little, shout out of them. I'm really excited to, test them out. Like I said, the attention to detail in the packaging and what the products look like are awesome. I put a couple ounces in the foam cannon as I'm gonna foam up the car with it, and then I'm just gonna put little dabs, a couple little dabs on my wash mop, and some in the bucket, and see how it foams up. I'm gonna do that in a second once I only have 2 hands, but yeah, I'm using my pressure washer. I've made a lot of videos on how to detail cars, so I'm not gonna waste your guys or waste your time on that. If you want to check that out or see how I detail my vehicles, you can just check out my channel and see those things. If not, it's okay. But thanks for tuning in. Yeah, I'm really excited to try this product. So far, the smell is absolutely amazing. I did already put some of the pre-wash inside of that foam cannon. I also have quick detailer and some dressing to use for the tires and leather. I'm gonna make some separate videos on that. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and I already washed my car down, started my process on washing the car. All the links to any of the products that I use or the equipment I use will always be in the description of my videos, if you guys want to check that out, or if you want to check that out. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple dabs on my microfiber wash mop and some in the bucket, and then I will pick the video back up and show you guys how it thumbs up. I don't know, I'm testing it for the first time with you guys. I'm testing it for the first time with you, so we'll check it out together to see how it works. Alright, so I've put a couple dashes, as you can see. I filled it up a little bit. We're going to see how it so far it's not really sudsy, and that might be because I already put water in it. Yes, but it goes up a ton for the little amount of product I use. It's really dang foamy. So I'm gonna fill up this foam cannon, and then we're gonna foam up my Ford Fusion. It is sunny right now. I don't recommend washing your car in the sun, but I don't want to wait, so I'm going to fill this up with water, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do little quarters of the car, starting from the front going down. I already washed my wheels, but yeah, so 1 second. The purpose of this product isn't to be used as a foamer, but I just want to see how it works as a foaming product. As you can see, the bucket is super sudsy for just a little bit of product. I mean, I might have used an ounce in this and less than an ounce in that. I mean, I didn't use a lot of the product, so it's really cool that a little bit of the product goes a long way. So I'm gonna hook this to my pressure washer and see if it foams up any. I'm just, the product, like I said, isn't a foamer like a chemicalized snow foam, but if it serves as, like, if it does a well enough of a job, I think that's pretty neat that it kills like 2 birds in 1 stone. Like I said, it's not made for foaming, but let's go ahead and see. So you can see the foam. It's not a super thick foam, but it looks like it really stays. I mean, like, okay, you can see the line drip, how it doesn't pass the drip. If it was like a non-thick foam, then it would have already dripped, you know. So, or not a, I don't know how to pronounce or even say it, but it's just the foam stays on a car for a very long time, and it smells phenomenal. So a lot of checks in my book already using this product. All right, so starting from the top. Ooh, it glides super easy. I mean, I kind of really like it. I'll have to go back and check what the price of this product is, because off the top of my head, I do not know. But so far, I mean, the smell, oh my gosh, the smell. It smells amazing. And it's super glidey. I mean, I don't really care what it costs at this point. I'll totally buy more just from the smell and the fact that it kind of worked in the foam cannon. Let me go, I'm gonna put the camera down. I'm gonna watch this side of the car and give you my initial, you know, thoughts of it. I just washed my whole car with this pre-wash, and I honestly just want to say this is honestly easily the best car, you know, wash. This is easily the best detailing car soap, you know, for washing your car I've ever used. I honestly, like, the smell, I could wear this as cologne. It literally is intoxicating on a level of how good it smells. 2, I have never ever felt my wash mitt glide so easily across paint, like any paint on any car I've used. I mean, look in there. I have hundreds of detailing products. I've tried so many car wash soaps. I've never experienced what this, I really am upset that I probably am pronouncing it wrong. F-R-A-B-E-R, Innova Car Pre-Wash. I mean, this stuff, like, it's crazy. Like, all the designer companies are made in Italy. This is what I would call a designer soap. I need to check on how much it is. I'll put it up in this, but I don't care how much it is because I am going to buy it. Yes, they sent me this for free, but they have a lifelong customer because it's honestly amazing. I mean, I foamed up my whole car. I mean, the foam, it wasn't like super thick like you would get with like a Mega Foam or Chemical Guys snow foam, but it stayed on the car for so long. And I mean, you can see how clean my car is. I mean, it did the best of jobs on picking the dirt off the car. But what blows me away is the smell, and 2, how slick it made the mitt wipe across the car. I mean, I'm honestly mind blown, and honestly, it's kind of crazy to me that if it wasn't for YouTube and Instagram and, you know, you guys and you, I would have never heard about this diamond of a product. I would have never heard about it, and I would have gone my whole life without knowing about this product, which is easily hands down the best car wash soap pre-wash I've ever used in my life. And I'm not getting paid to say that. This is from an honest person, an honest review. I am going to buy a shit load of this stuff. And I'm super pumped to try their sealant, their dressing, and what else? Quick detailer. I'm super pumped because if it's anywhere close to this, this is a 10. This is honestly the best I've ever used. Super excited to try the other stuff. I'm probably gonna actually just pull the car in the garage and go for the sealant right now and make a review of that as well. If you guys are looking for a new, you know, car wash soap, please check this out. I honestly, if you don't like it, I'll pay for it. Just comment below and be like, I didn't like it, and I will pay for it, honestly. Now you guys are probably gonna be like, oh, blah, 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 blah. But that's how good it is. I'm telling you, this is the best car wash soap I've ever used. Yeah, there's no need to even continue from here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for checking out the channel, and stay tuned for more videos, and stay tuned for this stuff because I'm super excited to try all of this stuff out now.